Hi students, we will start some questions. We will solve some questions of area and perimeter. In this question, it has given the perimeter of the two figure are same. Two land are same. One is square and one is rectangle. And it is asking whose area is greater. Whose area is greater and how much. So firstly, we have to find out the breadth of this rectangle. So as according to this, it is telling that perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Formula 4 into side, and here 2 into L plus B. So length is given 70 meter and breadth is taken x meter. So 4 multiplying with 64 meter is equal to 2 multiplying with 70 meter plus x meter. So is equal to 4 multiply 64 divided by 2. Because 2 was multiplying here, so whenever it will transfer on the side, it will do a work of division. Is equal to 70 plus x meter. So 2 2s are 4. It became 64 2s are 128 meter is equal to 70 plus x meter. So x meter is equal to, here 70 is adding, so whenever it will transfer, it will do a work of subtraction. 128 minus 70 meter. So it became 8 minus 0, 8. 12 minus 7, 5. It became 58 meter. So x meter means breadth is equal to 58 meter. Now we have to find the area of these both figures. So area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side, either side is square. So it became 64 into 64. And we have to multiply, either we have to get the square of 64. It will get the answer in meter square. So it became 3600. The square of 64 became 4096 meter square. And area of rectangle formula says that L into B, and the length is given 70 meter and the breadth is given 58 meter. 0 5 7 8 7 ja 56, 5 remain, 7 5 ja 35, 35 and 5 40. It became 4060 meter square. Area of a square is 4096 meter and area of rectangle is given 4060 meter. So directly we can say that area of a square is greater than area of rectangle. Then area of a square minus area of rectangle. So it became 4096 minus 4060. It became 36 meter square is the difference between the area of a square and area of rectangle. In next question, it has given the cost of cultivation per meter square is given rupees 3400. A farm has been cultivated and taken 71,400 rupees, and whose width is given 40 meter, and it is asking the perimeter. So firstly we have to find the length. As we know that the total, how we will get the total cost of cultivation? Only there is one method, that when area of the land will multiply with the 1 meter square, then we will get the total cost of cultivation. Now, so we can say that let the length of rectangle be x. As rectangle length is taken x, so according to question, total cost of cultivation is equal to cost of cultivation per meter square multiplying with area of rectangle. And as we know that the total cost of cultivation is given 71,400 rupees, cost of 1 meter square is given 35 rupees, and area of rectangle is given L into B, where L value we don't found. We have not found the value of L, we have to find it. So 71,400 is equal to 35 into B is given 40 multiplying with L. So L is equal to 71,400 divided by 35 into 40 divided 0 by 0. So 4 1 ja 4, 3 remains, 4 7 ja 28, 3 7 28 minus 31 minus 28, it became 3 20. So 4 8s are 32, 5 4 5s are 20. Both numbers are divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. Now 7 5s are 35 and 1. It became length became 51 meter, and it is telling that find the perimeter of this rectangle. So as you know that the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B. So it became 2 in the bracket, length is given 51 meter plus width is given 40 meter. It became 2 multiplying with 91 meter. It became 182 meter is the total perimeter of the rectangle, and it is telling that it asked for the fencing. Fencing means the perimeter, and the cost of fencing per meter is given 50 rupees. So we here per meter cost of fencing is equal to rupees 50. So total cost of fencing is equal to perimeter multiplying with 1 meter cost. So it became 50 rupees multiplying with 182 rupees. So it became 0, 5 2s are 10, 1, 18 5s are 90 and 91. So total cost of fencing became 9100 rupees of that field whose width is given 40 meter and length we have found 51 meter. You have to write this formula. This will help you in the next few questions. In next question, it has given the area of rectangle is 540 centimeter square and the length is given 36 centimeter. It is asking what is the width of the given figure, and also it is asking the perimeter of the rectangle. So as you know that area of rectangle is equal to L into B. We don't know the breadth, so we will put it B. So 540 centimeter square is equal to length is given 36 centimeter multiplying with B. So it is multiplying, 36 is multiplying with B. So when it will transfer another side, it will do a work of division. So B is equal to 540 centimeter square upon 36. Both numbers are divisible by 9. 9 4 ja 36, 9 6 ja 54. It becomes 60 and 4 divided 60 15 times. So B is equal to 15 centimeter. is B, and now it is telling that find the perimeter of the figure. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. So it became 2 into L is given 36 meter, 36 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So added here 2 multiplying 6 5 11 3 1 4 1 5 centimeter. This is centimeter all over. It became 102 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle whose length is 36 meter and width is 15 meter. You can copy this. In next question it has given marble tiles whose dimensions are given 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter should be fit in a wall whose length is given 4 meter and width is given 3 meter. So as if you are filling a wall or the ground with the tiles, then we can be sure that area of whole land will be the equal of the area of the tiles, because if both will different, then some portion will be rest, either some portion will be excess. So in this condition we have to use this formula: area of wall is equal to area of tiles. I am writing tiles, not one tile. So we can, it has given area of tiles is means the number of tiles multiplying with area of one tile. Because whenever you will find, then we can only find area of one tile, not area of whole tiles by these dimensions. So for both are in the same shape, means in rectangle. So in both where formulas will be same. So it became L into B, and here it will be number of tiles will be X, and it became L1 into B1. I have written L1 into B1 because it will not create a confusion. So it became L into B. So 4 meter into 3 meter. 4 meter into 3 meter. But here the tiles dimension is given 12 centimeter and 10 centimeter. For division and multiplication, the unit should be same. And then we have to change 4 meter into 400 centimeter and 3 into 300 centimeter. And here 12 and 10 is multiplying, so when it will transfer another side, it will do a work of division. So 12 multiplying with 10 centimeter square. So centimeter square is divided by centimeters. 0 divided 0. 3 10 ja 30. 3 4 ja 12. 400 ja 400. So it became 1000 tiles. 1000 tiles it has been used on that wall, and it is telling that if one tile's cost is given 22 rupees 50 paise, then what will be the cost of total tiles? Then cost of one tiles is equal to rupees 22 rupees 50 paise. Then cost of 1000 tiles is equal to rupees 22 rupees 50 paise multiplying with 1000. It became 22,500 rupees became the total cost of the 1000 tiles. Copy this. Now in the next question, figures are given in which we have to find the area of the given figure. If you will see this L-shaped figure, then you can say that the naming is given A, B, D, G, F, M, E. And as you can see that it is divided into the two rectangular parts. First is the ABME and the second is DGFM. In these two parts area will be added and then we can find the area of this whole figure. Now area of rectangle ABEM. ABME. So as it has clearly given, AE is the length and AB is the width. So we can say that the formula will remain same. L into B is equal to AE multiplying with AB, and its dimensions are AE dimension is given 10 meter and AB dimension is given 1 meter. So it became 10 meter square. And next, area of rectangle DGFM. Area of rectangle DGFM is equal to, same formula will be there, L into B, but here length will be DG, and width will be GF. DG into GF. So it became DG value is given 8 meter and the GF value is given 2 meter. So it became 8 to the 16 meter square. And it is asking the area of whole figure. So area of whole figure means the area of ABME plus DGFM. So we can write here area of whole figure is equal to area of ABME plus area of DGFM, and the first area is 10 meter square and the second area is 16 meter square. So it became 26 meter square is the total area of this figure. It has been divided into two parts, two rectangles, and then we have easily found the area of this figure and then added together it became 26 meter square. Now in this figure, this is a rectangle ABCD in which some portion is shaded. So it is asking the area of the shaded portion. Then it is very easy. So we can say that if we will subtract this empty portion from whole rectangle, then we can easily find out the area of the shaded portion. So we have to write the formula area of shaded portion is equal to total area minus vacant area. So both are rectangle, so formula will be remain same, but here we will write for the large total area we will write L into B, and for the smaller area or the vacant area we will write L1 into B1. L into B, length, total length means AD multiplying with DC minus, here it has become confusion that what will be the total length. See, this length is given, mean DC is given 9 meter. So AD multiplying with DC, and L1 is given means this portion, length is given means this portion, sorry, BF multiplying with EF is equal to, I have given this name MB is equal to EF. Either you can write also MB or EF. But here EF is given, so we will write EF. So it became AD is given 12 meter and DC is given 9 meter minus BF is given 10 meter and MB or EF is given 7.5 meter. So multiply it. 12 nines are 108 meter square. And here 10 multiply with 7.5, it becomes 75 meter square. Subtract it. So 8 minus 5, it became 3. And 10 minus 7, it became 3. It became 33 meter square is the area of the shaded portion. Now in this question, in this figure, as you can see that this is a figure whose all sides are equal, in which whenever you will see the different squares, you can see this is the first square, second square, third square, fourth square and fifth square. 5 squares are here, and as you know that the formula of the square, area of square is equal to side into side, either side square. So here 6 squares are given. So firstly we have to find the one square. Area of one square is equal to 6 square. It became 36 meter square. And whenever we have to find the all 6, then area of 6 square is equal to 6 multiplying with area of 1 square. So it became 6 multiplying with 36 meter square. It became 6 6 are 36, 3 6 3 are 18, 18 3 21 meter square. This was the last question of this exercise. You can complete your copy with this, with the help of this video.